Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to use the Intersect tool on a blend and it just doesn't work. So we're just going to draw a blend. I'm going to use my freehand tool, and you can see I've got my smoothest on 100. That way my mouse movement will be smoother, and you can see how it smoothed it up. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and I'm going to move that down. I'm going to just change the color. I'm not going to do a twisted blend or anything. I'm just going to grab these two. I'm going to go to effects and blend, and I'm going to blend them. You don't want to, this is personal preference, but maybe just 150 times, because you're going to get a pretty good color of lines. Now, what is their problem was this will not intersect. If you select it all, you can see that the Intersect tool is not selected or highlighted. So let's grab the text back out. And that'll work. With the blend selected, go up to Object and break the blend apart. Now there's still 3 groups of items, so I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. And then I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go to Object and group it together, or Control G. Now I'm going to bring my text back into the wordage, or into the blend. And now when I select it all, I'm going to have my Intersect tool there. Now it's going to take just a little bit of time because it's having to do Corel's having to do a lot of work. But it will look something like this. This one might even look better. Okay, I'm almost glad that happened, because what I did is, even though I could see it, it's really not on top. So we need to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. See, now you can see, I could see it a while ago, but it's basically through the lines. Now select it all and go to the Intersect tool, and it'll take that same amount of time. But when I had it before, I had it because I created the blend later, so the blend's on top. So in here in just a second, it's having to do a lot of work. It's almost done, I think. So you can see down here, I've got 2 objects selected, which is the blend and the text, and that allowed you to have the Intersect tool selected. Come on, computer, you can do it. And on something like this, you can play around with the number of lines. And my computer is really slow this morning, but it's working. I mean, that's the time. So here we go. And that's what it's going to look like. It's a pretty cool way to do something. I mean, it is, basically it's a bunch of lines. It's almost transparent. But if we make a black box around it, color the box black, and see, I've got so much going on with the page with that other blend that it's even taking time for this to work, which should not ever happen. I'm just trying to show you the black box and how it's going to look so much different. Boy, that's terrible. There we go. Object, Order, back a page. And it makes, maybe black wasn't the best. But if you changed it, had a yellow type line, and you maybe yellow and blue. Matter of fact, I think I'll do a yellow and blue one just for the icon on the video itself. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.